Discord is a great platform for crypto and NFT communities. It's easy to use and has a ton of features that make it perfect for discussing all things crypto. If you're looking to grow your crypto or NFT Discord channel, here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Make sure you have quality content that members will find valuable. 2. Invite other members to join your channel. 3. Make your channel welcoming and inclusive. 4. Run regular AMAs in your Discord chat and also in other external group chats. 5. Ran regular giveaways and fun competitions. 6. Use an experienced team of moderators and hype creators. 7. Promote your channel on other social media platforms. Discord is the second most important platform after Twitter to promote your crypto or NFT project. If you follow these tips, members will be more likely to keep coming back for more. If you need help growing and managing your social media accounts, reach out to us. Proleo-io is the ideal marketing and PR agency to help you grow. Get in touch and let us take your project to the next level. Proleo-io.